Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your online profile to the Naukri job search application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button on the right side of the screen. And then you should tap on the profile button at the top. Then scroll down to the accomplishment section and tap on add online profile. Here you can add links to your social profiles such as LinkedIn, Facebook, and so on. So add your social profile, then enter the URL. And after that you can also add the description up to 500 characters. When you are done, click on the save button, and then your online profile will be added to the accomplishment section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.